Hi everyone, it's Mr. Puddick here again today. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's story, and I'm back today with a new story. The story we're going to be reading today is The Tiger Who Came to Tea by Judith Kerr. So let's have a little read. Once there was a little girl called Sophie, and she was having tea with her mummy in the kitchen. Suddenly there was a ring at the door. Ding dong! Sophie's mummy said, I wonder who that can be. It can't be the milkman, because he came this morning. And it can't be the boy from the grocer's, because this isn't the day he comes. And it can't be Daddy, because he's got his key. We'd better open the door and see. Sophie opened the door, and there was a big, furry, stripy tiger. The tiger said, Excuse me, but I'm very hungry. Do you think I could have tea with you? Sophie's mummy said, Of course, come in. So the tiger came into the kitchen and sat down at the table. Sophie's mummy said, Would you like a sandwich? But the tiger didn't just take one sandwich, he took all the sandwiches on the plate. And he swallowed them in one big mouthful. And he still looked hungry. So Sophie passed him the buns. But again, the tiger didn't just eat one bun, he ate all the buns on the dish. And then he ate all the biscuits and all the cake until there was nothing left to eat on the table. So Sophie's mummy said, Would you like a drink? And the tiger drank all the milk in the milk jug and all the tea in the teapot. And then he looked round the kitchen to see what else he could find. He ate all the supper that was cooking in the saucepan, and he ate all the food in the fridge, and all the packets and all the tins in the cupboard. And he drank all the milk and all the orange juice and all of Daddy's beer and all the water in the tap. Then he said, Thank you for my nice tea. I think I'd better go now. And off he went. Sophie's mummy said, I don't know what to do. I've got nothing for Daddy's supper. The tiger has eaten it all. And Sophie found she couldn't have her bath because the tiger had drunk all the water in the tap. And just then, Sophie's daddy came home. So Sophie and her mummy told him what had happened and how the tiger had eaten all the food and drunk all the drink. And Sophie's daddy said, I know what we'll do. I've got a very good idea. We'll put on our coats and go to a cafe. So they went out in the dark, and all the street lamps were lit, and all the cars had their lights on, and they walked down the road to a cafe. And they had a lovely supper with sausages and chips and ice cream. And in the morning, Sophie and her mummy went shopping, and they brought lots more things to eat. And they also brought a very big tin of tiger food, in case the tiger should come to tea again. But he never did. Goodbye. The end. Right, I hope you enjoyed that story. That was The Tiger Who Came to Tea. It was a really nice story, that. So I was having to think of what you could do at home, some activities you could do. And the first thing I was thinking, you could have a tea party. You could have a tea party with your teddies or with your mummy or with your brothers and sisters. And you can make some cupcakes. So I've got a really, really simple recipe on how to make some nice cupcakes. So all you need is 4 ingredients. So you need 120 grams of butter. You need 120 grams of flour. You need 120 grams of sugar. And then you need just 2 eggs. That's all you need, those 4 ingredients. So you get those ingredients, you mix them in a bowl, mix them all together, mix. And then you need to put them in some cupcake cases, and it'll probably make about 10 to 12. And then you need to put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay? And once you've done that, they should be ready to take out the oven, and then you can decorate them and eat them. So I hope you enjoy making cupcakes. And then the second thing that you can do, I had a look online and Edinburgh Zoo. So if you Google Edinburgh Zoo, and they've got live webcams, and you can watch tigers live. So this is the website here, Edinburgh Zoo, and you can have a look, and they've got a tiger camera. They're all asleep at the moment. But you can have a look at the tiger camera. And you can have a look at different animals. They've got a penguin camera. They've got lots of different animals on their website, so you can have a look at them. Right, I hope you enjoyed today's story. And I'll see you tomorrow for another story. Bye.